Welcome to Quick Money Club, an environment where we share simple ideas on how you can start making money online today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because it motivates me to share more tips and tricks about earning money online. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Hey people, are you ready to make an extra income just by doing nothing? Well, is that even a question? I mean, this is what everyone wants. Who doesn't love free money? Alright, so the money earned by this new method will be totally autonomous and free of work. Well, by that I genuinely mean that you literally have to do nothing besides some mandatory setups. And once you're done, you're ready to go. Make money, obviously. Well, this isn't the first time we're providing you with a legit method to earn a good amount. You can check out our other videos to earn even a higher income. However, the method I share with you guys is a passive income method, and you truly can't rely on your expenses on this. This will surely add money to your bank balance, but relying just on these methods doesn't make sense. All it is a good way of earning passive income, but there's a notable difference between full-time earning and passive income. Well, enough knowledge about passive and full-time income. Let's get started with the video and search out for what's best for us. Alright, so this method works for both iOS and Android. No matter what iOS or Android device you use, the method will surely work for you. Let me make this point very clear to you guys first. This method will earn you legit real cash and not any points, coins or vouchers. It is real cash deal, guys, and you can receive your money either by PayPal or by bank transfers, whatever fits you. Well, it's an app this time and not a website like many of our earlier videos were based on website earning. This time, it's different. Starting with, firstly what you have to do is install the app, which I'll be introducing to you guys, and just keep swiping the ads. Yes, you can make a good amount just by swiping the ads. I'm sure you guys might surely be wondering what sort of ads they'll be. Well, let me tell you, it will be the same as the ads you people skip while watching a YouTube video or while playing a game. And legit guys, this app doesn't need any investment or anything related to it. You don't really have to invest a single penny from your pocket. All you have to do is swipe ads and make money. The best thing about this app is that you can transfer your income with less cash in your account, meaning your account doesn't necessarily have to hold $100 or $500. You can transfer your earned money only if it's like $2 or $4. Isn't that legit? I know, of course it is. While comparing the other methods with the one we're talking about, the payment transfer is a legit thing here, and as I told, you can transfer your lowest income too. No need to have a maximum amount. Unlike other methods, I guess this is what we prefer more. Well, if you have multiple devices, you can use them all and make more earnings and later get it transferred to your bank or PayPal account, whichever you prefer. To be precise, you can earn up to $150 a month, and even more if you log in with multiple devices. Do what's best for you, and you can earn up to $5 per swipe. You don't need to watch ads, perform tasks, or fill in any surveys. This is all an autonomous process, and as I said, you literally have to do nothing. Alright, so the app name is MooCash. Enter MooCash into the search bar and the website page will appear on your PC or laptop screen. Like the app says, turn swipes and taps into cash, earn $5 per day, and like previously discussed, you can get it on iOS and Apple App Store. There's 24/7 support, like the app is a small team committed to providing you great support. You can even chat with them anytime in MooCash. In the future, if you run into any issue, you can directly contact them or get in touch and get your issue resolved. Some of the reward options include redeem coins for cash, free mobile recharge, free talk time and gift cards. Moreover, on this app, it's easy to earn coins and you can get these offers on your lock screen and swipe to take an offer. Simple as that. Besides, there are many ways to earn money, like you can try apps, visit pages or complete tasks and surveys. Whichever way you prefer, it is totally up to you, but here we're only focusing on making money by swiping ads. Well, other apps in the MooCash app family are MooJoy, that is for games and entertainment. MooBucks is for shopping and cashback, last but not least, MooLuck, and is for raffles and giveaways. Here you can even have a look at frequently asked questions that will surely clear all your doubts. The frequently asked questions are as follows. What type of offers do I get? You'll see the banner that launches an app store for you to install free apps and games. You might also get a banner that opens a page with rich media such as videos, e-commerce promotions, food delivery offers, etc. When can I redeem rewards? Minimum redemption is $2 or $5 depending on where you are making money from and what type of rewards you choose. What rewards can I redeem? Cash via PayPal or bank transfer, free talk time, or prepaid recharge. What other ways can I make cash? You can earn more by sharing apps and games or MooCash with friends. How long before I get the money? you will get your rewards usually within 7 business days. Moreover, the website has its own blog posts like, here you can clearly see. Here, there are like 5 side jobs you can do with your mobile app, 5 incredibly useful money-making apps to earn money easily, which is the best Pokemon Go team and Buddy for You, Clash Royale, 5 tips to play free and win, and many more. Exploring this page is worth the time. To make the best out of this app, install the application simply by clicking on the Play Store or App Store bar. Once installed, you can now easily start making money online, just by swiping ads. Make sure you check the official logo before installing the application on your device. With that, let's move to another app that will make money for us without requiring any effort. So, the second app we're going to talk about is Cash Magnet. Well, to be precise, this app will only work for Android users and not iOS. We are really sorry for iOS users. You can only use the previous hack, and obviously not this one. Well, the only difference between the current app which we're talking about and the previous one is that this app will earn you more in comparison to the previous one. As already said, you can use this method not one, but multiple times and with multiple devices. The more devices you use, the more money you make. All you gotta do is visit the website Cash Magnet and install the app. As the website page says, get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. It is totally worth it. Besides, the app has the largest payments. Because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place, and you clearly do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. You can prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. Doesn't this sound legit, guys? Well, earn now by simply running the app. To download the app, you will see the Play Store symbol above. We have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place section, and get the app installed on your phone. And it's absolutely safe. Moreover, the website guarantees that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. Earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. How did I forget to mention that? Cash Magnet is completely free to use and always will be. However, for now, Cash Magnet is only available for Android phones with 4.2 versions and later. Well, the minimum requirement for Cash Magnet is to run smoothly is to have Android 4.4.4 and higher. We also recommend having at least 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. The program will consume a certain amount of traffic, so the desired condition is an active Wi-Fi connection. To be precise, you can redeem your points at any time for PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, Steam gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the rewards page. Guess what? The minimum payment goes from $1, and most users can easily earn enough points to redeem for 2 days, but it depends on how much time your Cash Magnet will work. Points are the virtual currency used on Cash Magnet. 10 points is worth 1 cent, so $1 is worth 1,000 points. For ones in doubt, your payment will be sent within 1 month after you've requested it. If you have not received your payment after 1 month, please let us know so that we can look into it as soon as possible. The rewards will be delivered to you on Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, Xbox, and will be delivered to your account email address. PayPal payments will be sent according to the settings in My Account Settings. Besides, you can see the status of your rewards by going to the My Account Payments. Payments can either be pending, cancelled, or paid. Have not received your reward, even though it shows as paid on our site? Please let us know as soon as possible. Meanwhile, to bonus your referrals, there is a 2-level referral system in our project. You receive 5% of the earnings for the person you invited, and 5% of the earnings for the person whom your referral invited. Precisely, the website is indeed experiencing some delay with payments, around 1 to 2 weeks at the moment, due to sponsors paying us slightly later than expected. The app has an operational time gap as getting money from sponsors around 1 to 5 months after, and with the growing army of users who might request payouts 1 to 2 weeks after working with the app, that results in later payouts. They are trying their best to close this gap ASAP. Alright, simply sign up with the app and set a password and your account will be created, and with this, you can start making money through this website. So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel, Quick Money Club. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.